Hi friends, this is SP Zawalkar from Creative English School and we are actually uh, in the study of parts of speech. You see, I have already explained you there are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, and we have already studied the 4 of the parts of speech in detail. Today we have to proceed for adjective. What is adjective? Very simple explanation can be given about adjective. So then what is adjective? Adjective is a word which qualify or add something to noun. Let us repeat it again. It qualify or add something to noun, that is called adjective. Sometimes some people write that an adjective, a preposition, a conjunction, but the matter is that to understand what it is important. Adjective is a word that qualify or add something to noun. How? Example: she is a brave girl. Girl is noun and the word brave, that tells something about the girl. How she is brave. She is not timid. Brave. Rama is a clever boy. The word boy is noun and clever is adjective. In this manner, adjective is the word which qualify or add something to noun. And perhaps by these two simple examples, you have understand it very decently what is adjective. Now go for the preposition. Preposition is very interesting. I can give the long list and you yourself can collect long list of preposition: on, in, into, over. In day-to-day spoken English, you are using these words. But what is the correct definition and use of preposition? That is what we have to learn today. It is used with a noun or pronoun. Preposition is used with noun or a pronoun. Why for that? To indicate relation, indicate position, indicate situation, indicate location. So many words you can use for that. You see, Rani is on the playground. Where Rani is, the location of Rani is shown here, on the playground. So on is preposition here. The fan is over my head. Where is fan? Fan is over my head. The location of fan is shown here. Rahul is fond of music. So of is also preposition here. So in this manner, we have learned about use and slightly clarity about preposition. Now conjunction. Conjunction is also very interesting. Conjunction जनरली आपण दैनंदिन जीवनात असं म्हणतो, कनेक्ट करावं त्याला जोडा. So in this simple manner, conjunction means it is connective. It is connective word. It connect the words. How? It connects words or sentences. That is called conjunction. How? Rama and Sita went to exile. Perhaps exile means vanvas. Rama and Sita vanvasat गेले. So Rama and Sita. So what is conjunction here? And. He is happy, but he is lazy too. आता इथं he is happy, but is connected. It has connected these two sentences. It has connected these two words and is connected these two words. And he is happy but he is lazy too. इथं but आणि इथं and हे दोन्ही कंजक्शन आहे. खाली ते सेंटेन्सेसला जॉईन करतात, वरती त्या दोन वर्ड्सला सीता आणि रामाला ते कंजक्शन and जोडलेलं आहे. नाउ द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच which I like most, interjection. It's very, very simple. It shows sudden feelings. Interjection is a word that shows sudden feeling is called interjection. So, what is interjection? It is the word that shows sudden feeling. How? Hooray or alas, it's bad. Oh my God, he came here. So many examples, and to identify the location of interjection, generally there is a exclamatory sign. Hip hip hooray mean hooray, it's a sudden happening. So we give the mark of exclamation there. Exclamation. Mark of exclamation means exclamatory sign. So in this way, friends, today we have decently came to conclusion to get over the chapter of parts of speech. Okay, they will be very useful for learning the next chapter also. Thank you. Have a nice day.